Welcome back to another video. If your Phasmophobia split box is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. Solution first. Check push to talk settings. Make sure you are using the correct topically V to the local talk or V for the global talk. Disabling push the talk might be the help as well you are prefer automatic voice detection, which can be done through the game PC settings. Solution 2. Microphone privacy set. Go to the system setting in window, go to the settings, then click on the privacy and then microphone. And ensure Phasmophobia has permission to use the mic. Confirm in the sound settings that your microphone is set to as default recording device. Solution 3. Disable exclusive control. In Windows, go to the control panel, then click on the sound, then recording tab. Right click on your default microphone, select properties, and under the advanced tab, uncheck the allow application to exclusive control of this device. This has helped many VR or non-VR players fix mic recognition issue. Solution 4. Avoid alt tabbing. Some players are reporting that frequently alt tabbing can disturbing the split box functionality. To avoid this, play in windowed mode or minimize through the game from the top right corner if you are needed access to other applications. Solution 5. Surrounded sound setting. If you are using headset with 7.1 surrounded sound, try disabling it, and some users are found this setting preferred with the split box audio in Phasmophobia. Restart the application is the last solution. Occasionally bugs with the voice recording can be the resolved by the simply quiet and currently investigation starting a new one, which reconnect the voice server. By doing these method, you can fix your problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.